Hi, I'm Linda Koopersmith and welcome to the Gourmet Kitchen. I'm so excited to be here with you today to show you what Christina Hendricks and I did on this beautiful 1908 Craftsman. And so for starters, I'm here in the kitchen. Before, what this kitchen was like was three little tiny rooms. Kitchen sink where it is now, but there was a wall right behind me here. The laundry room over to the left, and behind me was the dining area. And where I'm standing right now was a little countertop and a doorway going out to the front door, but no more. All of that is gone, and here we are in this beautiful space. Anyway, let me take you on a tour of this kitchen to tell you exactly how it came about. Two important things when you're designing a kitchen is the organizational space, how you're going to operate in the kitchen, and it also helps if you kind of know how to cook, because that way it kind of helps you in actually a large way on how to lay out your kitchen so that it functions for the gourmet chef. So for starters, the first thing that I knew I needed to do here was I needed to take out the walls. Once I had that blueprint, Christina went at it and I said I need, the specs on a refrigerator, dishwasher, sink, and very importantly, what her range/stove would be, the Ilve. And I knew right away when I saw that stove and oven was, oh my gosh, that was going to be the focal point. Behind me here, I chose to do a peninsula for a couple of reasons. One, I wanted to have a lot of walking space. I didn't want to be hindered by an island right in the center of the room. Another thing is I wanted an eat-in area. That's why I created the countertop overhanging with the customized legs here so I could have a couple of stools sitting underneath there. What you may not know about this kitchen is that it's really inexpensive. I know you might be thinking, oh, Linda's not telling me the truth here, but it was. This kitchen is an IKEA kitchen. It's customized, but not a whole lot. Customization came in with the paneling here. I put two IKEA cabinets back to back with a panel over it. Down below here are two IKEA drawer sections that are side by side. And then I put a large countertop over it and added two legs. Another great thing that I did in a customization with the IKEA cabinets was IKEA does not go to the ceiling. And because of that, I am one of these people that are absolutely no on what I call the dust ledge, which is the space between the top of the cabinet and the ceiling. So we added the moldings that you see here. This was just added, customized by our contractor, who was terrific, by purchasing additional IKEA materials and cutting them to actually give you the look and feel of the original moldings in the other rooms in the Craftsman. Welcome to the primary bedroom. What do you think? It's quite different than when we first got the space. It was two little bedrooms, and what we did is we took out this wall in between. Because in these old 1908 Craftsmans, the bedrooms were very, very tiny. Most homes that are new today that are built, they're built with open floor plans. So by taking the wall out, I really created a suite. Where I'm standing right now happens to be the little seating area with a beautiful view. Behind me is the actual bedroom area. You might notice that there's a closet or a doorway behind me. That's the secret doorway into a closet, or if you want to call it a safe room. But that door wasn't always there. However, that closet is still very tiny because of the age of the home. So if you take a look over here to my right, I designed these wonderful wardrobes for more closet space with some long hanging and double hanging. But what about access to a bathroom? Every primary suite has access to a bathroom, or usually a bathroom within the room. And I wanted to do that right here. So come with me. I have a secret passageway to show you. How did you get in here before I did? You took the main entrance, okay. Well, as you can see with this bathroom, I accomplished two different things. access for anyone in the home to come in through the main hallway, and also access from the primary bedroom into the bathroom. Other couple things that I did in here that was really important that I felt was that I wanted to make the linen closet, which is right on the opposite side of this wall, flush in the hallway with the doorway. And how I did that was by expanding this bathroom out. Originally, there was a single sink over by the window. So what we did is we changed the configuration and put the sinks on the longest wall here, and I was able to get 2 sinks side by side. And then of course, Christina wanted a beautiful vintage tub that we were able to find a reproduction. It's gorgeous. And I love what she did with the tile work and plumbing in there. Well, are you ready to see the next room? Then come with me. Well, I'm standing right now in the guest room bathroom. Don't you just love this little jewel box? It's one of our favorite rooms in the entire house. Christina wanted a second bathroom on the upstairs because there was only one, and this was the obvious choice. However, this really wasn't a bathroom. This was a dressing room for the closet, which is right here to my left. What we did here was add some nice sliding doors, and then what I did is I laid out this tiny little bathroom that had to have a toilet, a sink, storage, and a shower in this little itty bitty space. So as I laid it out, I told Christina, okay, find some specs for me for a sink. And she said, well, I really love this pedestal sink. And I'm like, pedestal sink? What am I gonna do for the storage? And it's lovely. And she goes, well, I'm gonna have a medicine cabinet above it. And I said, well, that's good, but you know, people have other things. So I got the great idea to create these wonderful recessed, almost like medicine cabinets. They're about a little more than 5 feet tall, and they actually go into the wall. That's why I call them recessed. And what's great about it, it doesn't take up any floor space in the bathroom. And I have one here and one right over here. The other thing is I needed a shower that was 36 inches by 36 inches. She found this terrific shower that has a magnetic closure, so it seals the water inside, and it just opens just like that. It's just a wonderful little look and feel, and I love so much all of her color choices in the palette in this bathroom.